Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today we are going to give you another fantastic idea for a snack to serve your guests as you're watching football, NASCAR, soccer, badminton, llama destruction derby. I don't know. Doesn't matter. It's going to be fantastic. We are making taco meatballs today. So what I have here in my bowl is 1 pound of our aged ground beef that we make ourselves. Now, you can get regular ground beef from the store. It'll work fine. Into that ground beef, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of finely diced onions. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of finely crushed Doritos, a tablespoon of diced chipotles in adobo, a tablespoon of taco seasoning of your choice, about 3 tablespoons of finely diced cilantro, and 1 extremely young chicken. All right, now we're gonna get that all mixed together. Once you're convinced that is all homogeneous, now we're gonna take that 1 pound of ground beef and all the additives, and we're gonna make 8 equal-sized meatballs. So they'll have 2 ounces of meat in them. They'll weigh more than 2 ounces because they have all the other stuff in there too. The size this time is important because we have another step after this. So what I have here is some diced up Velveeta Queso Blanco. They're about the size of a sugar cube. So I'm going to take one of those for each meatball, and we're going to go ahead and press that into the center and then form the ball back around it. So we're going to have that extra little cheesy surprise in the middle. Now, over the years, at times, I have had problems finding Velveeta Queso Blanco. If you cannot find that, any melty cheese is going to go well for you. Since we're doing taco meatballs, it'd be better if it was a Mexican cheese. Maybe some queso fresca or Oaxaca cheese would work for this too. All right. Now, either A, you're ready for the next step if you want to serve them immediately, or if you're prepping ahead of time, the rest of the cooking is only going to take a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set mine in the refrigerator until I'm ready. We'll see you for the next step. Okay, so as those meatballs are setting up in the refrigerator, let's make a sauce for them. So we're going to take about a cup of Mexican crema, throw that into the blender. To that we're going to add 1 ripe avocado, the juice of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lime, and a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper. And we'll mix it up. Oh yeah, delicious. All right, the meatballs have been sitting in the refrigerator a while. Now it's time to cook them. So, going to take a meatball and we're going to roll that around in a plate of crushed Doritos. Get that coating on there, press it in. So we want that outside to be good and crispy. We'll get a couple ready and then chuck them in the fryer for about 5 minutes. All right, they've been cooling a little bit. Let's take a look inside of these things. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked and a nice bunch of cheese in there. Let's give a dip of our avocado crema. You serve these at your party, everybody will be rooting for your team. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and never miss an episode. Hit the bell and get notifications. Thank you so much for joining us today, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.